Today, guys, we're gonna be viewing the 4.5 BB gun. Today, we're gonna see how accuracy and powerful this gun is, and how safe it is for teenagers and other uses, or like squirrel killing, bird killing, all types of stuff. So today, guys, we're gonna be viewing the 45 millimeter 4.5 millimeter gun. Yeah, I'm a little rusty. I didn't practice. Don't judge me. Okay, guys, as you can see, we're outside my window. We're outside the window. It's very snowy and windy out here. We're just gonna see how far it goes. And first, I have to cock it, because you're not gonna be able to shoot it without cocking the gun. So, this is how you cock it. First, guys, you're gonna take your finger, and then it's gonna kick back like that, and then you're gonna force back, and then you're gonna push, and you're ready to fire. I'm gonna go through all the steps. This is the first round of fire. I'm gonna be shooting at that black thing, as you can see over there. Over there, guys. Yeah. This is a new year, and it's freezing cold out here. Okay, we're gonna be shooting at the black thing. Test 1. Wow, that really did it. That right there, that was a shot. Yeah, guys. Alright, we're gonna test 2. I gotta cock the gun, recock. Okay, I gotta recock the gun. And leg out. Leg out. Okay, we're gonna be shooting something else. Guys, we're gonna be shooting at, what should we shoot? What should we shoot? What should we shoot? Look around, guys. Where should we shoot? Oh, alright, I got something to shoot. We can shoot that chair right there. See the chair with the wooden thing on it? Guys, yeah, we're gonna be shooting that. See if I can hit it. Alright, ready, set, fire. Oh man, that's scared. That's really messed up. That's messed up. I missed it. We're gonna try to go again. We're gonna try to go again. Yep. We're gonna go again. Leg out. Let go again, guys. Oh, I got it. I hit it, guys. I hit it. It kind of bounced back off in slow motion. It said, pew. And then now I'm gonna show you how you load this thing. First, guys, one more shoot. Leg out again. Okay, one more shoot. I gotta reload it. I forgot. Don't judge me. I forgot. Other people forget. Don't be laughing at home. I'm just kidding, guys. Y'all can laugh. I'm laughing. So it's New Year. It's about joy and all that. Yeah. Yeah, let's shoot. I'm still aiming at the white chair, guys. Yeah. And I hit it. I hit the bar. Yep, I hit it. Yeah, pretty good stuff. But we're gonna. I think we have like 2 BBs back in. I'm gonna wait. Leg out again. Leg out again. As you can see, it's freezing cold out the window. Oh, and I missed it. Right over it. Right over it. Man, that's some messed up stuff. I gotta work on my aim. I gotta work on my aim. I think this is my last, well, first to last round. See? I'm gonna hit it this time. And I hit the chair. We're gonna go. There's one more BB in here, guys. Then we're gonna show you how to load it. Leg out. Leg out. And I missed my last round. First, okay. I know you guys are tired of me shooting the gun. We're gonna show you how to load this thing. First, you're gonna take the safety, turn it off just like how you cock it. You're gonna pull this back, and then this is the cool part. You're gonna flip that up, and then see it's two holes. Two holes. I just said holes. And it's two. Alright. This hole is for the BBs and the pellets. No, just for the BBs, and this hole is for the pellets. I mean, for BBs and pellets. No, BBs and pellets, and then this is for BBs only. Okay, now we're gonna reload. This is how you load the gun. As you can see, I got the BBs in this medicine cup because me, my dad, and my uncle shares a thing of BBs. So we're gonna push this down, open this, guys. Okay. I'm gonna take the gun. Take one BB. It takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, oh, that was messed up. That was messed up, guys. That was messed up. Oh, they're dripping out. I need to learn how to load a gun. Loading school. Hold on, I gotta pick those up. Oh, and I'm back. Pick those up. I'm gonna reload. This thing takes about 30 shots at something, I don't know. I don't want to bore you to death. Loading the gun. And be sure to check out the second half at the description below. I'm out! Gotcha! We're gonna say for the whole video. I want to show you guys how to load the gun first. This is like really hard to do. I would lose a battle if this was a real. And to cock it, push that down and cock it. Last shot of it. Hey! Shoot at that right thing again. Hold on. Nothing came out. That's strange. That's strange. Leg out. Here we go, guys. And I hit. Now,